Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing some smoked meatloaf on our Pit Boss Pro series. This is my first time and I'm excited to try this. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright, so first off, before we start, let me show you guys what we need today for this meatloaf. Alright, so here we have 2 pounds of 100% grass-fed ground beef that we got from Butcher Shop. We're going to use about half of this of crackers. We have 1 egg, Worcestershire sauce, and we're going to be adding some AP seasoning and some barbecue rub. We're going to top it off with the barbecue sauce from Killer Hogs. Now, there is many ways that you guys can do this. It just all depends how complicated you guys want to make it. Now, of course, this channel is something easy, something simple for you guys that have busy lives. We're just adding this right here. Now, you can also add, on this process of adding everything in here, you can add diced onions, diced peppers, anything you guys want to add. You do it right now when you're adding all this stuff into it. So adding whatever you guys want to add is up to you guys. What I'm doing is just something simple. So before we get started, I need to get these crackers ground up. So I'm getting like half of this. Put it in here. And then I'm just gonna grind them up. Now on the crackers, you can use this, you can use Ritz. Any kind of crackers you guys want to use that you guys like, you can go ahead and use it. All right, now that our crackers are nice and grounded, we're just gonna go ahead and just add it into our bowl. Now we're gonna add 1 egg. Worcestershire sauce. Now, of some of the videos, they don't actually tell you how much they put, but just by looking what they do, sounds about right. Now, we get to mix it all in. It's all mixed in there. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our AP rub in there for some great flavor. And mix it up, keep mixing it up. Now let's bring in this so we can add our, and here is our ball of ground beef. So now we're gonna mold it into a meatloaf. Look at that, it looks pretty damn good. So this is 2 pounds, so look at the size of this. If you need more, you can probably put another pound. Now also, some videos too, they have 2 pounds of ground beef and a pound of ground pork. So that's something also you guys can add, which I'll try that next time. Now we're gonna add our barbecue rub on top of this bad boy. So. Just like that, all nice. Ooh, it's looking good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit of this excess rub that we got in there. Man, looking good so far. All right, so we're gonna be adding our Temp Spike Plus to monitor our temperature that we have doing. Don't forget, they're still having I think almost 50% off this one, which is a great deal. We put it on this end, all the way in there, just like that. All right, so how we're gonna cook this, we're gonna put this on our Pit Boss at 250 degrees. Now, once it hits about 150 internal, we're gonna go ahead and add Killer Hogs, the barbecue sauce. This is also really good. So we're gonna go ahead and add that when it hits about 150 and then add the barbecue sauce and let it ride for another. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. All right, guys, our Pit Boss is up to temp. Look at this bad boy. Go ahead and add it right there. We'll be back. All right, guys, so we have reached 150 internal temp. Man, that looks good. Let's go ahead and add our barbecue sauce in this. Sure we get it all around it. Looking good, looking good. All right. We'll be back when it hits 160 internal. All right, our meatloaf is at 160 internal. All right, we're back. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, let's go ahead and take our Temp Spike Pro off. Remember, there's a sale on this, half off. All right, so we are ready to give it a cut. Remember guys, anything you guys see here, there'll be a link in the description if you guys want to check them out. This is the 100% grass-fed ground beef that we got from Butcher Shop. You guys can check them out too, but I'm ready to give this a cut and see how it's gonna taste. All right. Look at that, good meatloaf in there. Look at that, that looks great. Just gotta give it a try. Wow, this is really good. This is really good. Wow, holy smokes. Can't stop eating it. Wow. This is good. This is really, wow. The barbecue sauce is really good. Once you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, check it out. But man, this is a hit. This is really good. I'll see you guys next time.